Once again, Hayley John Charles and Not Just Travel has provided us with an amazing holiday, picked us an amazing holiday, again for a family. Hayley's been choosing holidays for us for the last 4 years now, and she's never failed us. I have a young family, a daughter of 4 who's got some allergies, so it's quite difficult to find a place for us. Obviously, as she's been growing up, she's had different requirements, going away since she was 6 months. So we just give Hayley all the things that we want, ask Hayley all the things we want, and she provides us for a holiday. We haven't got to mess around online searching for good deals. Hayley provides us with some amazing deals, value for money deals. And we haven't got to spend that time doing that. We run our own business in London, so we haven't really got time for that. So we just tell her our requirements, and she fits all needs. She hasn't failed us yet. This is an amazing resort that we're on, and we go different places every year as well. But it's still it still hits the target for whatever we need and all our wants. So once again, thank you, Hayley, from Not Just Travel, Hayley John Charles, Not Just Travel. Much appreciated. Cheers.